Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on OUKITEL WP20. So you have to start with opening your internet browser and then click on search bar and go to yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click on the three dots icon and go to settings and go to search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.